Hello everyone and welcome back to Now I Know. Today we are talking about three of the most talked about terms nowadays from immunology, that is endemic, epidemic and pandemic. In case you are watching this video very much down in the future, this is the year 2020 and we are dealing with one of the biggest outbreak, one of the biggest pandemic that I have seen in my life, that is COVID-19. So with that, let's begin today's video. So we'll start with endemic. The meaning of the word endemic in Greek is en means in and demos is people. So endemic is a situation when any infection or a disease is happening at a constant rate, at a constant level within a specific region, a specific society or a country. And it is predictable. Okay, the important word over here, it is predictable. For example, chickenpox and malaria, we know that certain part of the world deal with these outbreaks at constant level in particular region. So endemic is a situation, it's a disease or infection when it is happening in a particular region, in a particular area. It is restricted and it is predictable. The outcomes can be calculated. They are predictable. For example, as I said, chickenpox and malaria. So this is what is endemic. Before we go ahead, here's an important information for you all, especially for students who are doing their M.Sc or who are in their masters and planning to appear for GATE examination in 2021. You have about 2 months left with you to revise the complete syllabus or to finish the complete syllabus. And if you're looking for a systematic way to do so, Unacademy has got a crash course for GATE 2021, which will be starting new batches from 1st December 2020. These batches are specially made for students who are doing their M.Sc or who are in their masters. These crash courses are practice booster courses and they are designed to cover the entire syllabus for GATE Life Science. Basically, if you're looking for one-stop destination to practice complete syllabus with experts, this is going to be extremely beneficial for you. So click on the link that is given in the description box to register and book a spot. With that, all the very best to you. Now let's go a little more higher and see what epidemic means. Epi means upon and demos is people. Now this is a situation where a larger population is exposed to infection or a disease. Okay, when a larger population of infection is exposed to infection or a disease over a very short period of time. A large number of population in a short period of time. And this is, when I say large population, that means we know now from a region we have gone ahead and we are talking about more area. Maybe there are a couple of countries, few countries all together, they are getting exposed, in particular, like maybe neighboring countries, 2-3 countries have been exposed or one full country have been exposed, and it's very fast. The spread of the infection is very fast. So over a short period of time, when a large population is exposed, that condition is epidemic. Examples of epidemics is SARS and MERS. This also I am sure you have heard about. If not, we have talked about all of this briefly in the coronavirus replication video that we have spoken in the past. So SARS, MERS, Nipah virus outbreak. Another example is Ebola virus outbreak. These are the examples of epidemic where in a shorter period of time the exposure was to a larger population. Now when this epidemic goes kind of out of control or it turns into something that is not controllable and it spreads really fast is when it could turn into pandemic, and that's the situation we are dealing over right now. The meaning of the word pandemic says it all. Pan is all, demos is people. That means everyone is exposed to this particular infection, this particular disease. That's the situation where many countries, by and large, globally, everyone, all the countries are exposed to this particular infection or a disease. That situation is pandemic. And when it comes to pandemic, the outcome you cannot predict at all. You don't know what is happening, what is the mode of action. It takes time to understand. Even the outcome, when it can be stopped, how it can be stopped, is very, very difficult to predict. So it cannot be predicted, it cannot be calculated, and the mortality rate will be higher, obviously, because you have now larger population that is involved and it is spreading really, really fast. So the mortality rate is also high. For example, one of the pandemic, I don't have to even say it, we all know it, COVID-19. Other than that, in the history, we had swine flu, Spanish flu, we had HIV, AIDS. All these are the example of pandemic. So basically, this is the difference. Endemic, understand, it's in certain region, in certain part that is contained over there, and it is predictable. You can calculate the rate of infection. You can calculate, there are calculations that you can do about it. So that's what's the difference. Briefly, endemic is in particular area, particular region, and it is predictable. Epidemic is when there is large area involved, more people are involved, infection maybe to a complete country or some neighboring countries or few of the countries, and over short period of time more people are infected. And when it turns into pandemic is a situation where largely many continents, many countries, generally all over the globe, people are infected, and it's unpredictable. You cannot calculate what will happen and how long will it take to deal with this particular situation. So that's pandemic. So that's all. It's easier to understand, but it is important that we understand the difference between these three terms, because I have seen people using the word epidemic, pandemic interchangeably, which is not correct, because yes, epidemic itself is a bigger problem also. Even endemic, if you look at it, is a problem. Of course, people, those who deal with it, will know how difficult it is. But the epidemic and pandemic are not the same thing. They are two different things. Epidemic can turn into pandemic, and we are dealing with one of the pandemic right now, because epidemic does not get contained and you cannot deal with it. It turns into pandemic. Not always, but sometimes, and we are in one of those times. So with that, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in comments if you have any video requests. You can reach out to me on Instagram and DM me for any video requests. So that's all for now. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep learning.